Guys, what's up? And today I'm gonna tell you how to use Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get started. First, you type in Microsoft Word. Oh my god, why does it take so much long? Okay, it's open. This will come out, and then yeah, if you have already made, just go here and open. And then if you want to make a new one, press the blank document, or if you want to just the control, just press the welcome to Word. But I'm gonna just tell you, blank document, go to this button called create. Bam, tap. Okay. Okay, here it is. This is gonna come. Okay. Now, let me tell you, you in Microsoft Word, you make documents. I made a lot of them. I've actually made a few stories as well, like the stories. Yeah, I've done some stories in it as well. Like you can write any topic you want. I don't know what I wrote right there, but you can write any topic you want. And here you can adjust the size of the writing. Okay, like 9, 10, 10.5, 11. I'm gonna choose 11, and you can write anything, like anything about anything, like myself, my pet, and you can highlight them like I have wrote gym. And if you want to highlight it, like you just have to like first do this. Bam. First you have to press this button, then you have to like do this and then tap it. Bam. Let me tell you, like I wrote TRF47. I don't know what does that mean, but I just wrote some random thing. And then you have to highlight, you have to like do this and then press this button, text highlight color, the this one, yes, and then bam, it's highlighted. Okay, now you can unhighlight it, I think so, like no color, no. Okay, what about, yeah, you can unhighlight it as well. Okay, this is basically another type of highlight. Look, but it doesn't highlight the surroundings, it just only highlights the words. I preferred using this one actually. Because I don't want my surroundings being the same color. Okay, now you got here in insert. There was in home, and now in insert. In insert, you can like make pictures, big pictures from file, like any picture you want. Look, like I take. Which one should I take? There is okay. I'm just gonna take a cat. That's cute. I don't know why I don't like that. Look, the cat is here. But if the picture is not moving like this, you have to like press your mouse right cursor and then go to wrap text, and then you can press square, type through, tap to bottom, any of these, behind text, in front of text, any one of these. Look, now you can move it the picture. Okay, now let's go to draw. In draw, it's kinda like useless because most people don't just use it. Look, smiley face. And then there's a white one, which I don't like. Look, I cannot even see my cursor. LOL. And yellow, it's a highlighter, yellow highlighter. Okay, this in draws, which I don't like a lot. And then go to design. This is my best. This is my favorite. Why? Because like it has page color and page borders. You go to page border, page colors. Bam. You can choose any color you want. Red, yellow, dark blue. I think so. And then you have to go in page borders. This is now kind of interesting. You can do on box. You can do on any of these. Okay. I like this one, the none one. I don't know why. Okay, and then it is art. Art. Apply to whole document if you want. This section, first page only. Okay, but I will just do the whole document because everyone will do that. And then there's none here. Okay, if you press this, there are many types of choices. I'm gonna choose the earth. I guess it's an earth. Okay, and then okay, press okay. Look, there's a border, page border around it. And then okay, I'm gonna tell you another thing about pictures. First you tap this, and then there is a thing called picture format which comes out here. Best picture format. Grab text is here as well. That's an easier way to do it. And then color. You can change its color. Like, but it's not like useful. If you want to make it like old style, it's really useful. You can make it any color you want. Like, I think it's kind of useful, but not that much. This looks kind of scary. And then like color, yeah, this is the same. Okay, you can do the remove background as well, and quick styles. Okay, just press this, go, and you can tap any of these. Like I'll tap this. Wow, look, it has a circle shape now. But it has one problem. It cuts out a lot of the picture. Like seriously. But I like this one the most. Not this one, this one, this one. I always use, if I want a picture, I always use this square thingy border. Yeah, square border. Okay, this is it. But wait, there is something more I want to tell you. This is the writing art. You can change it. Like Apple Century. This is my favorite one. Like, look, I like thank yous at the end of the story. Like this from the Apple Century. It's actually kind of cool. I like its design. Yeah, I can. Why can I not find the comic one? That's my second favorite. It's actually pretty cool as well. Let's try this one. Okay, it's kind of normal, but it's like a normal one. But you will get like the Calibri design, which is like the normal one. It's actually, I'm gonna say it's actually pretty fun to use Microsoft Word. Like there are infinite possibilities with writing. I found brush script. Thank you. Whoa. It's kind of interesting. Like professional artists use this. Actually, kinda. I think so. It's actually pretty cool to use Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is cool. And if you want to cut a, like a glitch. If you want to cut like a picture, do this. Like press the buttons, and then cut, bam, bam. It's gone. It's a nice tutorial if for beginners. If you are an expert, of course you don't need to watch it. Yeah, it's a nice tutorial. I think so. Okay. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.